Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache. Be attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Here we can go to Play Store. You will find uninstall. You can click to uninstall your app and you will wait a moment to install again your application. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.